Every summer, millions of drivers face the same frustrating challenges. The heat rises, the roads shimmer, and what should be a pleasant drive quickly turns into an exhausting ordeal. Engines strain under the pressure, air conditioners struggle to keep up, and drivers themselves feel drained, distracted, and irritable. Summer driving is not just about enduring the heat. It is about dealing with a host of hidden problems that most people never think about until they are stuck on the side of the road or sweating behind the wheel. Tires expand and wear faster, batteries lose efficiency, fuel economy drops, and tempers flare in traffic jams. For many, summer driving feels like a battle against both the environment and their own vehicle. Yet there is a simple trick, often overlooked, that can change everything. It is not a complicated gadget or an expensive upgrade, but a shift in how you prepare and manage your car during the hottest months. This trick, once understood and applied, can transform summer driving from a struggle into a smooth, comfortable, and even enjoyable experience. The essence of the trick lies in proactive preparation and mindful maintenance. Most drivers wait until something goes wrong before they act. They ignore the warning signs of heat stress on their vehicles, assuming that if the car starts in the morning and the air conditioner blows cold air, everything is fine. But summer driving requires a different mindset. Heat magnifies small problems into big ones. A slightly underinflated tire in winter might be manageable, but in summer it can quickly become a blowout. A weak battery that limps through spring may fail completely in July. The trick is to anticipate these issues before they happen, to treat summer not as business as usual, but as a season that demands special attention. By adopting this mindset, drivers can avoid the majority of summer breakdowns and discomforts. It is about shifting from reactive to proactive, from enduring problems to preventing them. One of the most overlooked aspects of summer driving is tire pressure. As temperatures rise, the air inside tires expands, increasing pressure. Many drivers assume that higher pressure is better, but overinflated tires reduce traction, wear unevenly, and are more prone to damage. Conversely, underinflated tires generate excess heat, which can lead to catastrophic blowouts on hot pavement. The simple trick here is to check tire pressure regularly, not just once at the start of the season. A few minutes with a reliable gauge can prevent hours of frustration and danger. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency, extend tire life, and provide safer handling. This small habit, repeated consistently, changes the entire summer driving experience. It is not glamorous, but it is transformative. Another critical area is the cooling system. Engines generate enormous heat, and in summer, that heat is compounded by high ambient temperatures. Coolant levels that are slightly low in spring can become dangerously inadequate in July. Radiator hoses that are aging or cracked may burst under the strain. The trick is to treat the cooling system as the heart of summer driving, regularly checking coolant levels, inspecting hoses, and ensuring the radiator is clean and unobstructed can prevent overheating, one of the most common summer breakdowns. Drivers who adopt this habit find that their cars run smoother, their air conditioners perform better, and their stress levels drop. Overheating is not just inconvenient, it can cause permanent engine damage. Preventing it is the simplest way to ensure that summer driving remains safe and enjoyable. Air conditioning is another area where drivers struggle. Nothing is more miserable than sitting in traffic on a blazing afternoon with an air conditioner that barely cools. Many drivers assume that weak air conditioning is just part of summer, but often it is a sign of low refrigerant, clogged filters, or worn components. The trick is to service the air conditioning system before the heat peaks. A quick inspection and recharge can make a world of difference. Clean cabin filters improve airflow, while properly maintained compressors ensure consistent cooling. Drivers who take this step discover that summer driving no longer feels like a punishment. Instead, the cabin becomes a refuge from the heat, a place where focus and comfort are restored. This simple act of preparation changes the entire mood of summer driving. Fuel economy is another hidden struggle. Hot weather reduces efficiency in several ways. Air conditioners draw power from the engine, fuel evaporates more quickly, and stop-and-go traffic wastes energy. Many drivers resign themselves to higher fuel costs in summer, but the trick is to adjust driving habits. Smooth acceleration, maintaining steady speeds, and reducing unnecessary idling can offset much of the loss. Planning routes to avoid congestion and using shade or covered parking to reduce cabin heat also help these small adjustments. When practiced consistently, save money and reduce frustration. Drivers who adopt them find that summer driving feels less wasteful and more controlled. It is not about radical changes, but about mindful habits that compound over time. Batteries are another silent victim of summer. Most people associate battery failure with winter cold, but heat is equally destructive. High temperatures accelerate chemical reactions inside the battery, leading to faster degradation. A battery that seems fine in spring may fail suddenly in summer. The trick is to test the battery before the heat peaks. Many auto shops offer free battery checks, and replacing a weak battery before it fails is far cheaper and less stressful than dealing with a roadside breakdown. Clean terminals, secure connections, and proper charging also extend battery life. Drivers who adopt this habit rarely face the dreaded click of a dead battery on a hot afternoon. Instead, they enjoy reliable starts and peace of mind. Beyond the mechanical aspects, summer driving challenges the driver's own endurance. Heat causes fatigue, reduces concentration, and increases irritability. Long drives in hot weather can become mentally exhausting, leading to mistakes and accidents. The trick here is hydration and comfort. Keeping water in the car, wearing light clothing, and using sunshades to reduce cabin heat all make a difference. Taking breaks during long drives, especially in direct sunlight, restores focus and energy. Drivers who prioritize their own well-being find that summer driving feels less like a battle and more like a manageable routine. The car is not just a machine, it is an environment, and maintaining that environment is part of the trick. Another overlooked factor is planning. Summer often means road trips, vacations, and longer drives. Many drivers jump into these journeys with little preparation, assuming that the car will handle it. The trick is to plan ahead, checking the route, ensuring the car is serviced, packing emergency supplies, and anticipating traffic patterns all reduce stress. A well-planned trip feels smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Drivers who adopt this mindset discover that summer driving is not just about surviving the heat, but about embracing the journey. Preparation transforms chaos into confidence. The cumulative effect of these small habits is profound. Checking tire pressure, servicing the cooling system, maintaining air conditioning, adjusting driving habits, testing the battery, staying hydrated, and planning ahead may seem like minor tasks. But together they form the simple trick that changes everything. It is not one magic solution, but a philosophy of proactive care. Drivers who embrace it find that summer driving no longer feels like a struggle. Their cars run better, their journeys feel smoother, and their stress levels drop. What once seemed inevitable, the frustration of summer driving, becomes avoidable. The trick is not about complexity, but about consistency. It is about treating summer as a season that demands respect and preparation. This philosophy extends beyond driving. It is a reminder that small, consistent actions can transform experiences. Just as checking tire pressure prevents blowouts, small acts of preparation in life prevent larger problems. Just as patience and planning make summer driving enjoyable, patience and planning make other challenges manageable. The trick is universal. Anticipate, prepare, and act before problems arise. Summer driving is simply the most vivid example, because the consequences of neglect are immediate and obvious. But the lesson applies everywhere. By adopting this mindset, drivers not only improve their journeys, but also cultivate habits that enrich their lives. In the end, most drivers struggle with summer because they treat it as ordinary. They assume that cars will function the same way in July as they do in March. That heat is just another inconvenience to endure. But summer is extraordinary. It magnifies weaknesses, tests endurance, and exposes neglect. The simple trick is to recognize this and act accordingly. By shifting from reactive to proactive, by embracing preparation and mindful habits, drivers can change everything. Summer driving becomes not a struggle, but a season of smooth journeys, reliable cars, and comfortable cabins. It is a transformation that requires no expensive gadgets, no complicated technology, just awareness and discipline. The trick is simple, but its impact is profound. For those who adopt it, summer driving will never be the same again.